Greetings everyone. I am Mubarak Shamsi, the Director of Abu Dhabi Convention and Exhibition Bureau. It is my honor to mark this Global Meetings Industry Day with you, as we recognize the undeniable value the MICE industry brings to businesses and communities across the world. We are proud that Abu Dhabi continues to thrive as a dynamic and safe global business and events hub. The highly effective health and safety initiatives that Abu Dhabi implemented to contain the pandemic have enabled us to continue to welcome delegates to the capital while inspiring confidence in business travel once again. This is exactly what this year's theme, Meet Safe, is all about, the return of those all-important face-to-face events. We are already seeing positive signals that travelers will continue to return in growing numbers, and we have a strong long-term projection on the future of the MICE industry in Abu Dhabi. From hosting high-profile conferences and exhibitions to being the go-to destination for meeting and incentive travel, we look forward to welcome business leaders and business events delegates from around the world to discover everything that Abu Dhabi has to offer in their own way. Enjoy the day, take care, and we hope to see you soon in Abu Dhabi.